I want to share with you a story that I came across this week. A man was driving through the French countryside and he saw an old farmer in the field struggling to get up after a fall. He stopped, got out of his car, and walked over to the farmer and asked, "Are you all right?" The farmer looked up at him and said, "I've fallen and I can't get up." So the man helped the farmer get up and dusted him off and asked, "How did you fall?" The farmer replied, "I was reaching for my hat that fell off and I slipped and landed right here." The man then asked, "Where's your hat?" The farmer pointed with his finger above them and said, "Up there." The man looked up and saw the hat on top of a very tall wall. It was about 12 feet high. And the man thought to himself, "There's no way I'm climbing that wall to retrieve that hat. It's too dangerous." But the farmer insisted, so the man had no choice but to try. As the man was about to climb the wall, he turned to the farmer and said, "You know, if I were to fall while climbing this wall, would you be able to help me?" The farmer looked at him and said, "Honestly, I'm too old and I don't have enough strength to help you. If you fall, you'll just have to find your own way back up." The man stopped and thought for a moment. Then he said, "Well, that's pretty selfish. You could at least offer me some encouragement, like go get tiger, or you can do it." The farmer looked at him and replied, "There's no point in encouraging you because you're not gonna make it. Just go ahead and try and I'll watch you fall." The man paused again and said, "Well, that's pretty harsh, but thanks anyway," and he started to climb. He climbed and climbed until he reached the top of the wall and he was exhausted. When he turned to grab the hat, it fell apart in his hands. The man felt defeated, thinking he had put in all that effort for nothing. But as he started to come down the wall, he realized something. Although he didn't get the hat, he didn't fall and he wasn't injured. And when he got back down, he told the farmer, "You know, I didn't get the hat, but I feel like I gained something even better, a sense of accomplishment." The farmer looked at him and said, "What do you mean?" The man replied, "I discovered that even though I don't have your strength, I have something you don't have. You see, you may be able to push yourself for a few seconds or minutes, but eventually you'll tire out. But I can push myself for hours or days or weeks, and no matter how difficult things get, I can keep going." The farmer thought for a moment and then said, "I guess that's true. You're stronger than me in that way." The man smiled and said, "It's not just me. There are many others who have this kind of strength. All they need is a challenge." The man got back into his car and drove away. And as he drove, he thought to himself, "Every time I encounter someone who challenges me, I'll remind myself that challenges aren't bad. They're actually opportunities to discover the strengths inside of us." I love this story because it teaches us that we should never underestimate ourselves. We may not have all the skills and abilities of others, but we do have our own unique strengths. We may not be the strongest or the smartest or the most talented, but we can push ourselves beyond our limits and discover what we're capable of. It is easy to get discouraged when we compare ourselves to others and realize that we are not as good as them. But we shouldn't focus on our weaknesses, but rather on our strengths and strive to improve them. The man in the story didn't have the physical strength of the farmer, but he had something else: his ability to push himself mentally and emotionally. He was able to challenge himself and discover a strength within him that he never knew he had. So the next time you feel like you're not good enough or strong enough, remember the man who climbed the wall. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your strengths and push yourself beyond your limits. You might just discover something inside of you that you never knew you had. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.